Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Netflix for free. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in netflix.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Netflix. Now in order to sign up for your free account, tap on the Get Started option. You will then be asked to enter your email address. After entering your email address, tap on the Get Started button. After clicking on the Get Started button, you will be asked to finish setting up your account. Tap on the Next button and you will be asked to set up a password for your account. After entering your password, tap on the Next button and now you will be asked to choose your plan. Tap on the Next button and choose your preferred plan from the available options. After choosing your plan, tap on the Next button and now you will be asked to add your payment information. Now, before adding your payment information, the free account system will only work if you cancel your subscription before 15 days ends. So tap on your preferred payment method and then add your payment information, and then you can tap on I agree and the start membership option. Now make sure to note the date on which you did this registration and be sure to sign out from the program before 15 days has passed, and in this way you will be able to enjoy your Netflix for free for at least 15 days. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to create your free account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.